Storm Team 29 forecast.
Well, here we are at the almost setting sun hour. We've got, again, some holes in the clouds. There's the view from Earlysville. And, yeah, another cool day. We started with some sun, but lots of clouds bubbling up. 61 is the current number at the airport. Only touched 65 today. And our wind direction has generally been out of the north. And it's currently in the Shenandoah Valley, 57 at Valley Airport. And Weir's Cave only touching 60 for a high this afternoon. And some other readings, we've got 58 there in Palmyra, 56 in Louisa. Same there in Madison, 57 in Waynesboro, and 57 currently in Stanton. You can see all the cloudiness here blanketing the mid-Atlantic here this afternoon. These clouds will have a tendency now to start to thin out. We're still under the influence of a deep trough here in the east, but high pressure is going to start to edge westbound from the west in our direction eastbound as we head into the overnight period. That'll set the stage for a chilly overnight with temperatures down in the low 40s. Will likely be some upper 30s farther north and west. So some areas that are sheltered locations could certainly see some patchy frost early tomorrow morning, provided that the wind calms down. Temperatures here for Wednesday still stuck in the 60s, but we should see a bit more in the way of sunshine. Our wind direction will change more out of the south. And then as we look ahead, well, Thursday is going to be the pick of the week in terms of mild conditions. That'll be the warmest of the week. Friday's still mild as well, but we've got the sunshine here on Thursday. Clouds will start to gather on Friday. Before the day is through, we'll likely see some showers in here. That's in association with the next autumn cold front, and that will cool numbers back down as we roll into the weekend. So looking at our rain chances, still kind of hinging here on Friday afternoon, Friday night into early Saturday morning. And even though we've got the front coming through, it doesn't look at this particular time to be a whole lot of rain. I think many of us will see a quarter inch or less in terms of rainfall. But you see all the cloudiness from the mid-Atlantic, the Ohio Valley up into the northeast, deep trough in the atmosphere keeping things unsettled. And then this is a system that came ashore in the Pacific Northwest yesterday. You can see it spinning its way here across portions of Montana into western Canada. That will dive off to the south and east, and that'll be our weather maker here with some showers for later Friday into early Saturday. But it doesn't have any deep connection to the Gulf of Mexico, consequently not a whole lot of rain in association with it. All the warmth out west, I mean, look at these numbers. Denver's at 84, you got 74 in Omaha. Most of the cooler air is in the east. That's because of the jet stream pattern. There's the trough. That's going to start to lift out in the next few days, taking us through the late week. And then here comes the next cold front to knock the temperatures back down. And that's what we'll see as we go into this weekend and once again into much of next week. So here we are for the early morning hours. Anywhere from the upper 30s to low 40s. Could be some patchy frost out to the west. We'll have a day that should feature a bit more sunshine, but temperatures still stuck in the 60s. Winds will change direction more so out of the south. And then another chilly start early Thursday morning with some upper 30s and low 40s. Thursday should be a very pleasant and milder afternoon. When I say milder, that's actually seasonable for mid-October with numbers in the low 70s. And then right now it looks like more Friday afternoon and Friday evening we'll start to see some showers work in from the west. Could be very similar in terms of what we saw last weekend. There'll be more rain along the coast as a new system begins to move up the eastern seaboard. Temperatures tonight then, upper 30s north and west, low 40s across much of central Virginia. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures will come up a few more degrees here as we go through the late week, and then those numbers come right back down. Some shower chances in between for later Friday into early on Saturday. Casey and Steve.
Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.